Congress kwedu yekutanga kuchitungwiza province musi wa 26 January 2000 pano pachitungwiza. I remember comrade president ava vari kamukomana kune vamwe vakutinetsa vanga vasipo in 2006 wongoridza kutsaku iwewe wakuti swede but as late as 2006 wongoridza kutsaku. Vamwe maininava National Working People's Convention, she wasn't even there. In the first national executive of the MDC, the interim executive, Yatakaita ku Waterfalls, there were 4 women who were there. Paulina Mbariwa, Sekai Holland, na Trudy Stevenson. Iwongori kupi. Waku sodoboka tugogo, sodoboka tugogo. You see, we cannot allow Emmerson Mnangagwa to do the impossible thing of becoming the leader and president of the alternative and the leader and president of the ruling party. We cannot allow that. It's nonsense. But it's rubbish. And we, the people, we say no to rubbish. When the Secretary General went to Code Zero, in section 59 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, we've got a right to demonstrate. Comrade President Takazvipigira, I want to look the people of Zimbabwe in the eye and say, Takazvipigira to die for this cause. We are prepared to die for this cause, and we are going to die for this cause. There is no struggle without its own Chris Hannis. There is no struggle without its own Steve Bikos. There is no struggle without its Josiah Tongogara Maga. There is no struggle without sacrifice. And as we enter the last stretch of our struggle, we will die. And this is the message we are going to send to Emmerson Mnangagwa. Your days are numbered. We are coming for you because the Constitution allows us to do so. I thank you very much. Ziko Mokwambiri, Twalomba Loko.